Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2019 Escape Titanium in agate black with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors and a hatch. This has a 2-liter 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine, and it's an all-wheel drive. It also has a panoramic moonroof as well as backup camera and sensors, and it has a Ford Safe Smart and roof package, which includes lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, blind spot information, and panoramic moonroof. It's really easy to get into this car. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the liftgate release here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it you have your dash controls, cruise control with adaptive cruise control, and sync voice activated system. When we push the engine start button, we have our key in the pocket and foot on the brake. And then on your dash, any important messages will appear, and you'll also have a menu. So we can go in and toggle through trip 1, trip 2, information, settings, and these all have submenus. In the center we have our display screen, and it's a touch screen, so we can control different options just by touching on the screen. So our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You also have navigation, and when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. There you go. And then you can go into settings and slide through for different options, things like Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, ambient lighting, and so forth. You have your volume and tuner, and you also have your hazard lights. Down below, for the comfort of driver and passenger, you have dual climate control as well as heated seats, AC and max AC, front and rear defrost. And you also have a heated steering wheel, auto stop start for less idle time. That's your parking sensors, park assist, and traction control. Down below, you've got a USB and 12-volt outlet, automatic select shifter, electronic parking brake, couple of cup holders, and you're seeing that ambient light in the bottom there. There's a little bin to put items, and your armrest has 2 tiers, so you click to the right for the shallow, and then click to the left for the deeper one. And you're seeing the locking lug nuts in the little orange bag there, and a USB outlet. And then off to the side is your glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener. There's your lighting controls. You also have a sunglass holder, and you have a twin panel moonroof or panoramic moonroof, and you can actually just press and it powers it across. And you also have the controls for the screen, so you can control your light and air. And there's a grab handle on the passenger side, and that just makes it easier to get in. Wheels, body colored door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, as well keyless entry keypad. In the back, there's a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and just below the Ford badge is your backup camera. You also have dual exhaust, backup sensors on your bumper, and you have a class 2 trailer hitch as well with a 4-pin connector. When you're ready to open up the hatch, you can do so by double clicking your fob. You can also release it from inside, and you've got this nice all-weather mat. It's still in its wrapping, and you've got extra carpeted mats as well. There's a light and a 12-volt off to the side, and then when you're ready to close everything up, there's a handle on the right. You can push the button on the left, or you can give it a kick. So if your hands are full or you're feeling like in a fun mood, you can just give it a kick and it'll go right down, and then it closes securely. You can then lock it up, walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You can easily bring down your headrest with a push of a button, and then you pull the lever at the base of the seat. That'll bring the seat right down. You now have access to the back cargo area. So you're seeing the extra carpeted mats and the all-weather mat that's there to protect. And as well, on the back of the seat, there's anchors to be able to tether baby seats. And to bring the seat back up, you simply give it a push, and then you just flip up the headrest. In the center, there's an armrest with a couple of cup holders, and there's all-weather mats on the floor just to keep everything nice and neat. You have slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, you have a 110 outlet and a couple of air vents. Up above, hooks, handles, lighting, and that panoramic view. Passenger side, capless, easy fuel gas filler, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, roof rails, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system and integrated turn signal, HID headlights, halogen fog lights, front sensors, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.